Welcome to Davi Toons Club.
Today, we're drawing Hyde, the terrifying creature from the Netflix series Wednesday, but in our funny, retro cartoon style, inspired by classic vintage animation. Grab your pencils, relax, and let's transform this dark villain into a spooky but adorable rubber hose cartoon. Let's start with the large asymmetrical eyes, wide open and intense, showing all of Hyde's fury, but in a playful, exaggerated cartoon way. If any step feels tricky, pause the video and take your time. There's no rush. Drawing should always be fun. Now draw the tiny cartoon nose, small, rounded, and colorful. No matter how scary Hyde is, our version always keeps the nose cute and funny. Sketch the big mouth, stretching wide to reveal sharp, pointy teeth in an exaggerated grin. Add the ear, simple and rounded, slightly tucked into the shape of the head. Shape the face structure, giving it a distorted, cartoony form with exaggerated cheek curves. Draw the messy, wild hair, inspired by Tyler Galpin's human hairstyle, but puffier and more chaotic in cartoon form. Now create the crooked neck, slightly bent to emphasize his hunched posture. Add the massive hump on his back, big and rounded, almost like a dramatic cartoon mountain. Sketch the awkward torso, narrowing down into a rounded, cartoonish hip shape. Emphasize the body disproportions, making some limbs longer and larger than others. This contrast makes him scary but also funny. Draw the left leg, long and rubbery, bending in a loose rubber hose style. In Wednesday, the Hyde is revealed to be the Tyler Galpin monstrous alter ego. Tyler is the son of Sheriff Donovan Galpin. In the series lore, a Hyde must be unlocked by a master, meaning the creature is controlled by someone. Add the large foot, spreading the toes outward and finishing them with sharp claws. The Hyde in Season 1 is manipulated by Marilyn Thornhill, whose real name is Laurel Gates. The series takes place primarily at Nevermore Academy, a school for outcasts. Now sketch the right leg, more stretched out, also ending in a big clawed foot. The Hyde creature design combines horror elements with exaggerated monster anatomy. The Addams Family was originally created by cartoonist Charles Addams in 1938. The original Addams Family appeared as single-panel cartoons in The New Yorker. The franchise later became a 1960s television series. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our full Wednesday series playlist. Just click the card above. And tell me in the comments, which character from the Addams Family universe should we draw next in retro cartoon style? Draw the left arm, extra long and exaggerated, even longer than the legs for dramatic effect. had the large hand, with long fingers ending in sharp, curved claws. Wednesday Addams is portrayed by Jenna Ortega in the Netflix adaptation. The show was developed by Alfred Goff and Miles Miller. Tim Burton directed several episodes of the series. Wednesday Addams is known for her dark humor and emotionless personality. Nevermore Academy includes different types of outcasts, such as vampires, werewolves, and sirens. Sketch the right arm also elongated, finishing with a big clawed hand full of expressive tension. The Hyde mythology in the series is inspired loosely by the classic story of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Tyler's transformation represents hidden darkness beneath a normal appearance. Add the skin textures, drawing circular patches distributed across parts of the body to create visual interest. For colors, use bluish-gray skin tones, reddish eyes, light hair, and soft pink accents. But remember, you can color your hide however you prefer. And here's our Hyde. Scary, twisted, and full of retro cartoon personality. I hope this video helped and that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.